ভেতর যাও। দেশ ডেকেছে আজকে তোমার, ঋণ চোকাও, বাইরে বিপদ, সব নাগরিক ভেতর যাও। বাঘ বেরোলে নিশুত রাতে যেমন মানা, এই কটা দিন তেমন ভেবেই বেরিও না। রাস্তা থেকে সব জমায়েত দূর হটাও, দেশকে যদি ভালোবাসো ভেতর যাও।
The last few weeks was full of suspicion. None of us has ever thought of witnessing a pandemic in a lifetime. Well, COVID-19 is spreading rapidly.
With no vaccine or drug available, prevention is better than cure has never felt more accurate. Therefore, in order to escape from the exposure of the virus, the following measures must be practiced for healthy body, mind and soul.
Wash your hands with hand wash or soap and water for 20 seconds.
Hand sanitizer. If soap and water are not available to us, then we can use any alcohol-based hand sanitizer which will work the same.
Immunity supplements, herbs, protein and vitamin E, vegetables and fruit as such can help your body stay protected against the disease.
Don't touch other people. This means no handshakes, no hugs, and no high fives.
Wear mask if it is too urgent to go out, and please use it in its proper way.
The world has slowed, so it's time to rediscover ourselves. Now let's see what these Bethunites of Botany Kingdom are doing in this lockdown.
Love reading books, but it ends up absorbing all the dust. Yeah, it's time to rub out the dust. Sit glued and be absorbed in your favorite novel for hours.
We often find ourselves scribbling on the benches or on the last pages of notebook.
Let's bring out all our talents and spill colors on the canvas.
Make cool crafts and decorate your home with your own creations. It's never too late to finally make use of craft supplies you have bought long ago.
This pandemic situation, we can't go out of our houses, but it is the best time to let your imaginations fly and make them do whatever you want to do.
Put life in the lightest things and make your own world where people are not bounded by restrictions.
हर बार हाँ बोलो यार हाँ अपनी जीत हो के हार हाँ बार बार हाँ बोलो यार हाँ अपनी जीत हो के हार हाँ.
In this lockdown, cover up for all the time. You long to chill with your family. চল বোন তোর পালা.
So, bring out your board game and let's play.
In our busy life, we hardly get the time to recollect our old memories. So let's utilize this lockdown period to replenish our beautiful memories with our parents.
The quarantine, a boon in disguise, the people who once bought sleep over our tired eyes and smile over our faces.
Worried about your extra calories in this lockdown? Start your own exercise at home and burn those calories.
You don't like exercise? Then
Is your passion lagging behind due to your busy schedule? Turn on the music and dance the night away.
Dust off all the anxiety with music. Music is the best.
taking care of your body?
Karima, now no more exercise. Practice yoga to relax your mind and body.
And cut out all the negativity around.
Hi. As no domestic workers are coming due to lockdown,
So we should help our mothers, right?
yes,
By cleaning, by dusting, or
by sweeping,
Learn to make new dishes. How cool it will be if you could make your favorite dish at home itself.
Stuck at home and the movie theaters are closed. Don't worry, catch your favorite movies at home itself. You never know what new aspect will come up with this time.
The lockdown may put a stop in your lifestyle, but don't let it lock your future endeavors. Utilize this time in a proper way. Prepare all the extra study materials that you always wanted to make before every exam. If only you had a little bit of extra time.
Nature has healed wonderfully within this period, and as a botany student, it is our duty to bring back its original beauty.
Plant new trees, take care of them, and let's again make this world a green world.
In this lockdown period, we are not the only beings suffering. There are animals who are suffering as well. So let's feed them, take care of them, and tell them that they are not alone.
করোনা ঠিক বুঝতে চায় না এনআরসি কি, তার কাছে সব এক। বাইরে ঘুরে মহামারী, ওষুধবিহীন। দোহাই তোমার, ঘরে থাকো এই কটা দিন। লাশের পরে লাশ হয়েছে কত দেশে, কেউ জানে না সংখ্যা কোথায় থামবে শেষ।
We know staying at home can be quite monotonous, but self-isolation and quarantine are big factors in terms of starving out the disease. So we, students of Bethune College Botany Department, urge you to